To turn off the warning of the mobile data usage on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, you need to go to the security app. In the security app, you should be able to find the data usage option in common features. If not, then you can scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open the toolbox. And then over here in tools, you should be able to find the data usage. So let's select it. Now tap on the setting icon in the top right corner. And if you have set up the data plan, then you should have the option to go to data usage warning. And here you can disable the warning by pretty much disabling the data usage limit. And also we have the show warnings on lock screen, which can also be just enabled or disabled. In addition to that, you can also decide what should happen when the data usage is exceeded. So you can warn and turn off the mobile data or just show the warning. And then over here we also have the size of the daily usage. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!